Let's make some beef sauce and egg rice, guys. So first of all, I cut my beef flat like this. I'm just going to season with some paprika, some chili peppers, some crushed chili peppers, some bouillon cubes. I'm also going to be adding some onion powder and then some ginger powder and some salt and some onion flakes as well. Mix everything together. After that, I'm going to be introducing some cornstarch just to combine everything together, So mix everything together properly, and then we'll just set it aside to marinate properly while we continue with the other ingredients, guys. After marinating in a pot or a pan, I'm just going to pour in some olive oil. Okay, here comes my already seasoned beef. We're just going to stir fry this beef until we have golden color beef. We don't need it to be dry. We just need a particular consistency. After stir frying for some time, I'm going to scoop everything out of the pot, guys. After scooping the meat out in the same pot, I'm going to be adding some olive oil. Here comes my already chopped onions, habanero peppers, and some garlic. We need that spice, okay? Because I love spicy food. But if you don't like spice, you can always keep the habanero parts, okay? I'm going to stir fry this for like 20 seconds and introduce our already cut up carrots, just the same shape as we have our meat. Stir fry the carrot because it's tougher than other vegetables. Here comes our onions and green, yellow, orange, and red bell peppers, already cut up also into the same shape as our beef. Okay, we're just gonna stir fry this slightly because I love it crunchy, guys. Okay, and the more it stays in the pot, the softer it becomes, so you don't want to stir fry for so long. I also introduced my already stir fried beef. Mix everything together, guys. You can see the color, right? The color is so inviting. That's exactly how it tastes as well. So here comes a mixture of some corn flour with water, just to thicken everything together, to make everything come together, guys. Stir everything together, guys, and just stir fry for like 1 minute. Our sauce is ready. Now we're gonna go to the next process of making our egg rice. In a pot, I just poured in some olive oil, stir fried my onion, already chopped onion, just a little bit. You don't want it brown. And here comes my bouillon cube, just 1 bouillon cube. You don't need too much seasoning. And now I'm going to introduce the rice, already cooked rice, guys, already cooked white rice. I'll just pour all the rice, and at this point I will introduce my butter. Okay, so I'll just take it to the bottom of the pot so that it can melt into liquid. Mix the whole thing together, guys, and then bring in some eggs, guys. It depends on the quantity of your rice, so I'm using 2 raw eggs to make this egg rice today. So I'll just wait for that egg to cook for a while to get some consistency. After that, I'll mix it all up with the rice. Guys, this rice alone tastes amazing. Like, you can actually eat it without sauce, guys. Once you mix everything together, our food is ready. Our egg rice and our vegetable sauce is ready to be, munched and crunched and enjoyed. I'm just going to dish some for myself because I couldn't wait. Like, it tasted so good. And then put in some sauce. Everybody couldn't wait to enjoy this, guys. I'm going to share a video of where I actually dished out for every member of the family. And I decided to enjoy the fruit of my labor as usual on your behalf, I'm not stingy. So I'm eating this on your behalf, guys. Guys, no capping. This made so much sense. It looks and tastes absolutely delicious, guys. Not every day is rice and stew, okay? Try this egg rice and beef sauce and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Bye.